up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, XO Sheba here. And if you're new, hello, welcome to the XO Squad. So, what we're doing today is reviewing a wig. And this wig I picked up off of Amazon. And this is an Outre wig. And it's, they just labeled it as a lace front. But it's an L-parted wig. But this is Grammy. So, we're going to get into reviewing this wig right now.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
Alright, so I have Grammy in the color 4. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead. This is hard lace. I'm excited because I prefer hard lace. I think it blends a little bit better. But some people find it sensitive on their heads. But, you know, I like hard lace. So just cutting off the lace. Alright, and then just so y'all can see the inside, you have 2 combs in the front. Like, not in the part, but on the sides, because a lot of times it's on the, you know, on the part. But it's on the side for this one. One in the back. Adjustable straps. Okay, so I can already tell this is more of a snug cap. It's wearable, don't get me wrong, but it's definitely more snug. So if you have a large head, it might be a little uncomfortable for you. It doesn't seem like you wouldn't be able to wear it. But, you know, it might not be the most comfortable. Now, however, it is laying flat to my head right now. And I've had tighter wigs, so this isn't too bad. I haven't done an all-4 wig in a minute. Alright, so this part is like super narrow, guys. So I'm gonna just pluck some out right quick. Alright, my arm got tired, so I'm done plucking there. So this is like it's a mixture yaki and silky type of hair. Not too much of either so far. But maybe I should finish doing the wig. So there is that. You actually, with the way this sits on your hairline, I would say you don't necessarily need baby hair. I don't know, guys. I feel like this needs like a dark root on me. Let me see what I can do. All right, so I'm not, I want like a darker root. So what I'm gonna do is take some mascara on my edges and like darken that root up. That's how you fake ombre. Just like that. I've never done this before, guys. I've only seen it. At first I was looking for a Sharpie, but this is what I found, so that works. There we go. I feel like this just looks a little bit better than it was at first. Ooh, did I get too far? I'll call this video how to ombre in 2 minutes. Alright, so I'm definitely happier with it, with that little ombre-ness going on, because just all 4 was not doing it for me, guys. And that's just me. It might not be somebody else. They might want, you know, all 4, but I needed a little bit of darkness going for myself personally, because I am like a 4-colored person. The density on this unit, guys, is kind of light. I would say it's more on the natural light side, not very, very thick. If you're using a density like scale, I would give this like a 1. It's a good 130, but it is full looking. It's just more of a natural fullness. So if that's what you go for, then that's good for you. I think it's a good, you know, I think it's a good density. Like I said, it's just super natural. So for those who like a natural density, this is great. I think the curls are really pretty, and the hair is just like my hands are running through it. Y'all see that? So tangling is not a huge issue on this unit. However, it's synthetic. So, you know, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen eventually, but it's nothing too bad. I'm not getting any, am I getting shedding? Let me see. Nope. Thought I was about to get shedding, but no shedding so far. I assume that it will shed over time because it's synthetic, but it's doing really good right now. I want it to stand here. Where's my spray? There we go. I wanted this to hang more like how it is now. So that's why I just did a little freeze spray on it. Yeah, guys, lengthwise, this is about here. So I give it a good 20 inches. Definitely a good 20 inches going on. I think this is a really cute wig. I definitely like it more ombre for me, but if you like it in 4, it look good on you too. They do have other colors available. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. This is Grammy. If you would like to purchase, I will link it down below in the description box for you. They sent me an edge control along with the product, so that was awesome too. This wasn't sponsored. I actually picked up this wig on my own because I like the edge control. It's been laying my edges well. I used it on my hair before I put this wig on, and I use it on my baby hair on my wigs too. So this is some good stuff. This is cute little edge control right here. So shout out to them for sending me that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.